Bando, I don't wanna look like yo. Chap chap in the bando, I don't wanna look like you. Chap chap in the bando, I don't wanna look like no. Chap 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 look like you. No. I don't wanna look like.
Hey Royals, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Liz, aka Royal Beauty. Today on my channel we're going to be doing another wig review. I'm going to open up the box and show you guys what's inside while I talk about them. Look at this color. First of all, I did already open it. I did already play with the wig because, but I didn't cut the lace. I did open it because I showed it to my Instagram follower. If you were on Instagram, you happened to see me open it there. Okay, so I'm going to take it out of the box. Okay, and it did come with the mesh wig cap all over, like it was holding it. So look at this color, y'all. It's so beautiful. I love this color. It's a perfect mix. It has a mix. It's green. It looks like it's green, but it has hints of blue. There's turquoise. I'm not sure if it's showing up on camera, but trust me, like I love that they did that because, you know, it just gives it some flavor. It gives it a vibe. It's not just one plain green. This is a good cap. Not that synthetic wigs have bad caps, but this was placed on a cap that's meant for human hair wigs that, you know, you're gonna wear over and over again. And I appreciate that because a lot of synthetic wigs a lot of times have this really harsh cap. It's not comfortable. It's heavy. It just feels like, you know, you got something on your head. This I know would be so comfortable, and I really, really can appreciate that. I can really appreciate that they took the time, even though it is a synthetic wig, the longevity is not there with synthetic hair. You know, but still took the time to make sure that the cap is comfortable. I really, really do appreciate that. And that's one of the reasons why I want to make this last. I want to make sure I don't cause any tangles in this hair too soon. I'm going to take it off after I wear it, brush it, put it, not even on a mannequin head. I'm going to pack it back up and put it away nicely so that it can be just as fresh the next time I want to rock it again. It is a frontal. Look at that, a frontal laced wig, and it literally has frontal from ear to ear. It's not all the way, it's not a lot of parting space, so it's not all the way down, but it does go from ear to ear. So you can, you know, at least have a realistic hairline that can be parted just a little bit, even if it's just an inch or two. So I can appreciate that. A nice natural hairline can be created. So hopefully it show you a little bit of something there so you guys can see. In the box, it came with this wig cap here. Also came with this card here for care. Show you how to care for the wig and all of that good stuff. They also sent this spray bottle. So I was still happy to see it. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to go get dressed. I'm going to give you guys a nice little outfit of the day along with the hair. But before I do that, I want to give you guys my final review. So my final review of this wig is I love it. I would definitely get another wig from them because they are a synthetic, as far as synthetic wigs go, this is the kind of synthetic wig that I like. It feels comfortable. It's not tight. It's definitely big head friendly. Snug, but only because I use the adjustable strap. So when I first put it on, it was comfortable, and then when I put the adjustable strap on, it became snug, which is what you want. You want it to lay, and that's all I'm using, and as well as the the not edge control, the Got To Be to lay my baby hairs. That's all I'm using, and it feels like it's not going anywhere. It looks like it's not going anywhere. It definitely lays flat. Apart from the side flaps, which you will have to, you know, do a little more than what I did to get it to lay down, but you could get away with this, sis, is what I'm trying to tell you. If you're not planning to get in any fights and act a fool, have anybody pulling your hair out, you should be fine with faking it till you make it, or at least getting by for a quick style. It does require you to make it do a little more for it to look realistic, but if you wanted to just put on your head and go, you could have as well. Apart, you know, you have to cut the lace, but you could have done that. I chose to go the extra mile, you know, add little baby hairs, make it look a little bit more realistic. Tracks showing. It's not, it's definitely full enough. It's not a thick full wig, but it's full for this style of hair. I don't really care for the texture, but for its texture, for it to be synthetic, I love that I can run my fingers through it 1,000 times and it's not really, well, it has its tangles, it has its moments. It like right now, it's having its moments, but a good brush with a good wig brush like this one that I have here, it's got hair in it, but a good wig brush like this would be perfect to have with you. It's small, it's compact, it's easy to quickly just grab each side here, just grab each side and you will be able to get the tangles right out. I love it. Thanks so much to ReadyWig for sending this to me. I truly appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, stay tuned. I love you guys. And now for the grand reveal.